this video I will draw water drops. So let's start with its outline. Yeah. This is our first water drop, and I will draw one more here, just like this, and maybe like this somewhere here. So total 3 water drop I will draw. Now our outline is ready. This water drop I will mark the highlight which is here, and also we have highlight somewhere here. In this case, since we have highlight here, it means light is coming from this direction. In the water drop there are reflection, refraction and total internal reflection. So that is why we have a lighter portion here in this water drop and the darker portion here. In that way it will look more three-dimensional and the shadow will cast here. However, those lights which are coming out of the water drop will be somewhere here. Yeah. So draw similarly for the second water drop. For the third water drop, let's say the light is falling here and we have lighter part here, and also the light is not coming out of the water drop. Now I will start shading with very light pressure on my pencil, and I am shading only one side of the water drop. We can either shade like this or like this, but make sure you draw very tiny circles overlapping on each other so that it does not look like circles but a smooth surface. Similarly, for the shadow, at the edge of the water drop we have darker value and its value becomes lighter as it goes away. Similarly, draw for the other two water drops. Using blending stump, I will merge the shades and will make sure that it does not touch the highlights. In order to achieve the realistic effect, I will increase the darker value gradually using different grades of pencil. So watch the video till the end and you will learn a lot about water drop drawing. Thank you.